Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a new media type on your TrueVis printer. So after you've loaded your media, if you press the setup button, if there isn't the media type that you want or you're trying a new media out on your machine, press new. Give it whatever name you want or you would recognize in the menu. We're going to call this one sample roll. Press OK and next. Decide if you want to use your take-up unit or not. Carry on with start setup. As usual, the printer will scan from pinch roller to pinch roller, giving you your printable width. Now you need to decide if it's print or cut and press next. Temperatures you shouldn't really have to change unless instructed to, but this is how you do it, plus or minus. Print head height, so if you need to raise it for a particularly thick material. If you need to do a printing test, now is the opportunity. And what adjustment method would you like? You can do it manually or auto. I would go for auto, let the machine do its work. And then at that point you press execute. Now the machine is going to print a series of patterns and scan those patterns to tune the printer to the material type. We'll speed this bit up because it takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the whole process. But you don't have to press anything, you can just leave the printer to do its thing. And at this point the machine has printed and scanned its patterns. It's now tuned the printer to that type of material and you can use it from now on.